Sit. Come on, Simba. Sit, sit. Everybody sit. Sit, sit, sit. Sit, girl. Coco. Coco got her ears cut. Sit, Coco. Sit. 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 I said sit. Use more training. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Then got your ears like bad ears. Sit. Sit, boy. Sit. 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 Come on. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Stay. 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 Sit. 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 What I told you. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. You smart girl. You smart. There you go. You hard headed. But you gonna sit too. Come on. Sit. 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 Sit on down. Sit. Go some. Sit, Sunshine. Sit. Now you know better. Sit. 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 Come on. Come on, some. Be hard headed too. Some. Come on, some. Sit. 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 You hard. Sit. 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 Why just say sit down? You read why they hard hit. Simba Junior, sit. You eating too much. You got all your weight back. Sit. 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 You dirty. Y'all got y'all a good auntie. She took care of y'all. Yeah. Sit. 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 Good boy. Good boy. These are two twins here. Yeah, child getting into. These are two twins there, twins. That boy, that gonna be big. Sit down. He ain't but 3 months old. I just told you. Come on, y'all finna go to the lane. Everybody finna eat. Sit. 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 Everybody sit. Come on, we got a meeting. Sit. Oh, you hard-headed. Sit. 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 Boy, I swear he do just like his dad. Just like his dad. He gonna be bigger than his daddy though. Love playing in the dirt. They 2 weeks apart. He weird, bro. Boy, you eat too much. And why you go messing with her? They love wrestling. And she listen, I tell her sit and stay, she'll stay all day. They tired now. Put that wrestling move on her. Alright. Y'all get over here. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Sit. He like to get a little rough. Now they gonna tag team her. Got 2 more left for sale. She for sale. And a little bit for sale. Gotta find her a good house home. Everybody good. Gotta find you a house, don't you? She real good. Hold them down. Flip them over. There you go. Flip her. She tired. She ready to go to sleep. Y'all some lazy puppy. Come on a little bit. Sit, sit. You ought to be tired. Sit. Sit down. He like to play all day. Sit. Well, I told you about that. Feel like he can go sit down somewhere. You better not bite too hard. You get that overexcited. You gonna make him mad. Look at lazy over there. He's just lazy. And you know somebody ain't gonna play with you. He too lazy to play around. Simba Junior, come here. Come on, Simba Junior. Come boy. Come boy. You lazy like your daddy. Come on, Simba. Simba Junior, come here. All he want to do is eat and lay down. Now if I go grab that food, you gonna come out then, ain't you? Go get some food. Come on, let's eat. Come on, let's eat. Let's eat. He gonna get up then. Simba Junior, come on, let's get some food. She got her ears cut and they healing up good. Ready? Come on, let's go eat. Come on.